Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is hump day. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one at a low cost and get this fast shipped to you. So they do offer 1-day shipping, I do believe, on these. So you might want to take advantage of that for all you Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash, Grubhub, pretty much everybody that does delivery or that's in their cars a lot. The future is here. This is something really nice and useful in today's society. TORRAS automatic car mount wireless charger. This is for the iPhones, the XMR, whatever I'll say, go up to Galaxies, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus. We got the 10 plus right here. We're going to do the demo on the car ride. And let me see. I'll pull that up really quick. We'll see how this works and everything. It's going to be cool. Definitely excited for this one. This is like the cream of the crop right here for wireless car charging. Automatic clamping. So the clamps are the clamp. Fast charging. QI. Air vent. Galaxy S10e, S10, S10 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, iPhone XS Max, XR, XS, 8. Okay, alright, we got it. Now let's open it up. Just telling you this is auto clamping, wireless charging. Got the V3 chip to identify the devices. Ooh, that's something good. Save 40 minutes for each charge. Whoa, smart chip. All right. Battery is the longer battery life. All right. Smart ventilation design. QI certified. Automatic clamping. Whoa. Just the bottom. The case friendly. Oh, sweet. So you can actually have your case with these. So that's always a good thing to have. Strong, sturdy landscape orientation. So you can have it up and down or left and right, sideways. Hitting switches. Here we go. This is it. There's the box. There's the specs. And let's take a look at this bad boy. So it is universal, which is always good. Like I said, be a great Christmas gift, graduation, birthday gift, just because gift. Alright, we got the good stuff. Manual. Da, 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 da. Here we go. That's empty. It's not that heavy. So we got the universal mount, the swivel, where you clamp it into your air vents. So we're going to go for a ride along in a few seconds after this part's done. Going on a ride around town. This is nice. I got to do, there's a pad right here. Oh yeah. Whoa, see what I mean? You put the phone in. That's crazy. It's still like got juice. So you go like this. Whoa. Look at that. It locked it in. And ain't got no wiggle room. This is a 10 plus. Perfect. And I'm not sure if it's charging. No, not yet. Not until I plug it into the outlets. So right there, USB. Hook that up. Add to that. I believe. So we're gonna go in the car. I'm gonna install it. But dang, this is nice. It fits like a glove. And I think this is a thing to adjust. Yeah, see, if you had the note, goes down, clamp on, boom. Pretty nifty. Yeah. Alright, and then ejecto. Bada boom. And once you put your phone right there, shuts. And we're going to go hook it up in the car. Be back. Well, I should show this really quick, how to put the back on before I go in the car. That might be a little, should be easy. See, that's what it looks like. And this, put that back. Easy twist. There we go. Hear it click. Bada boom. And adjust. So. Oh wow. This is nifty. This ain't like the other ones. See that? This is nice. This is definitely gonna be really sturdy in your car. It won't flip flop like the other ones do. You ain't gotta worry about adjusting it. Look at that. Dang. Got that action going on here. Alright, so now, see, like again, go like this. Now when I go in the car, I'm going to be charging the 8 Plus. And like I said, I'll be using the 10 Plus to record. So we got the plug in here. I gotta find my USB adapter for the car. It should be in my room somewhere. So, oh, there we go. That's what it's gonna look like. I don't know if you guys can see best way. Oh, there you go, clamped. There's a USB, and you get to always use a twist tie to get it less wire wherever you want to mount it. But it's gonna be temporary right now in my car. So figure it out, and then I'll be on the road. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the Andobo wireless charger. This is the Galaxy 8 Plus. It's holding on pretty well so far. And look at that, it's sideways right now. So we are cruising. And it's holding steady. There's the side of it. So this would be great for Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, Grubhub, DoorDash, Instacart. Here we go. And then now we'll go like this. Like that way. And look at that. It's holding good. So definitely check them out. YouTubers' links are going to be down below. Get one at low cost. Click the link and check them out. And be safe. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We're going to do a little extended video. Show you more on the road and how it holds through a little bumpy going on here. So there we go. Like I said, like that. Great for watching movies and then following your maps around. It's definitely holding. There you go, YouTubers. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.